Hello guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting your girl. And if you're new to the channel, karibu sana. So guys, tell me in the comment section, how did you spend your Valentine's Day? Did your loved one remember you or not? Anyway guys, for me, I spent my day indoors, was just doing some chores, watching, what else, and eating, of course. And then later on, my friend called me out for a street date, and we had so much street food, and I'm back right now, though I am so full. I don't think I'll be able to take supper. Also guys, I had ordered a gift for myself. Is it really a gift? I don't consider it a gift because I was supposed to buy it, so I just bought it because I normally take advantage whenever Beauty Click has an offer. Whenever they have an offer, I normally save up for those offers. This is how it was brought. Happy Valentine's. This bag contains happiness. So I got this card. I don't know why let me see if I can. Beauty Click, under the back it says, "You're the heart of our business. Have a sweet Valentine's Day." This was so sweet of them. Thank you, Beauty Click. So you guys, I bought these two. So this is what I got: a moisturizer and a sunscreen. And you guys, my acne journey has not been easy, and one thing I also thank God, have I ever, but there are a couple of times people have been commenting somehow negatively about my skin, but literally that has never affected me, because I think I started getting acne around 13, 14, my teenage years, so like I'm used to it. So anyway guys, such things will come in my story time, so stay tuned. I'll be giving a lot of stories this year. Yeah, so, and also I'll update you on my skincare routine, because literally right now my skin, oh my goodness, like if I compare how my skin used to look like and right now, guys, there's just a huge improvement. And people who've known me for the longest time literally know or can now see how much my skin has improved. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. It's made with love on 14th of February, so continue watching till the end of this video. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.